Is your espresso tasting bitter or off lately? Or maybe your machine's making strange noises when brewing. It might be time to backflush. Today on Brew Fix, I'll show you how to backflush your espresso machine the right way, so you can keep every shot clean, smooth, and perfect. Step 1. Safety and basics. Before we start, always make sure your espresso machine is cool enough to handle safely. We'll be running cleaning cycles, so don't touch any hot metal parts. Also, this tutorial is for machines with a 3-way solenoid valve. That's most semi-automatic or prosumer models. Step 2. What is backflushing? Backflushing is a deep cleaning process where water or detergent is forced backward through the group head. It removes coffee, oils, and residue that build up behind the shower screen and inside the valve. If you skip it for too long, your espresso will taste burnt or sour, and your machine might even leak or lose pressure. Step 3. What you'll need. Here's what you'll need. Blind filter, the metal disc without holes. Espresso machine cleaner like Cafiza or pulley calf. Group brush or small cleaning brush. Towels or paper cloths. Step 4. Water backflush. First, we'll do a simple water backflush. Insert the blind filter, lock it in, and start the brew cycle for about 10 seconds. You'll hear pressure building up, then stop the cycle. Water and coffee residue will flow back into the drip tray. Repeat this 3 to 5 times until the water runs mostly clear. This removes loose oils and debris. Step 5. Detergent backflush. Now, add a small amount of espresso cleaner, about 1/4 teaspoon. Lock the portafilter back in and run the pump for 10 seconds, then stop for 10 seconds. Repeat this 5 times. This detergent breaks down coffee oils stuck deep in the group head and valves. Remove portafilter, rinse it, then run 4 to 5 more water-only cycles to flush out all detergent. Step 6. Clean the group head and portafilter. While you're here, take a few minutes to clean around the group head. Remove the shower screen if possible. Soak it in warm, soapy water and scrub the gasket area. Wipe your portafilter and basket clean too. Remember that deep clean equals better tasting espresso. How often to backflush? How often should you backflush? Here's a good rule of thumb. Water backflush daily if you use your machine every day. Detergent backflush once a week for home machines, daily for cafes. And that's it. That's how you backflush your espresso machine the right way. It only takes a few minutes, but makes a huge difference in flavor and performance. Remember that clean machine equals better espresso equals every time. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to Brewfy for more repair and maintenance guides, and let me know in the comments what machine you're using. See you in the next one.